So this is our final wrap-up video for local dev environment on Mac and Linux. If you're on Windows, watch the Windows one. So far, just to give you a really quick recap, we upgraded our terminal with Hyper or iTerm or something else. Linux, maybe you already had something. And then we installed Homebrew, which is an awesome package manager that works both for Mac and Linux. We used Homebrew to install, for example, Z Shell, which replaced Bash as the shell program we're using inside of the terminal. And we also added a framework for Z Shell called OhmyZSH. So we've got a pretty nice terminal working for us, and there's a lot more that can be done with that, but that's not really what the courses are about. We want to get into coding. We just need a couple of other things. If you remember way back in one of the first videos, we mentioned we wanted a version control system called Git, and we also needed to have Node specifically so we can use Node package manager in our projects. You might be able to even guess how we're going to do this. We're just going to use Homebrew again. So we're simply going to come into our terminal, brew, install, git, and I'm probably going to get a warning that says it's already up to date and everything. And I'll give you $1 if you can guess how we install Node. I won't really give you $1 because I'll probably give away too much money then. Brew, install Node. That's it. Exit the terminal, and you should have pretty much everything we're going to need to know to have an outstanding. Oh, looks like there's a little upgrade, so I can do brew upgrade node. Might as well do that while we're wrapping things up. In your case, you'll be doing, oops, and I need to type the command correctly. Oh, as a bonus, no extra charge, I mistyped the command. Do I have to retype the whole command? Nah, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hit the up arrow. That takes me to the last command I typed in. I'm just going to arrow over there, throw that P in there, and bam, it'll work. So up arrow in your terminal will give you access to the last command that you entered. And there's some more terminal stuff we'll learn, but we'll save that for when we actually get into the heart of these courses and out of all of this configuration and development environment stuff. So I know that was a lot. Thanks for hanging in there. This isn't really something you need to mess with too much more. Just keep up with your updates and upgrades like we've talked about. But if you're interested in more fancy configuration, I've got a few other plugins and things that I use. So at some point you may want to explore those. But that's all I've got. So thanks a lot for watching this series of video. You've got a great professional grade local dev environment started. And we're ready to actually learn how to code going forward. Thanks. Bye-bye.